What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today we're gonna do a quick hoop wreath. I think that's what they call a spring hoop wreath. For this DIY, you're gonna need a hoop of your choice, some ribbon, your glue gun, coffee filters, which I got mine at the Dollar Tree, and some greenery, which I also got at the Dollar Tree. And that's it. So let's get started, guys. Okay, your first step, of course, is to make your coffee filter flowers. If y'all not sure how to make it, I'm going to leave the video in the description box down below so you can see my tutorial of how I make these particular coffee filter flowers. But that's going to be your first step. Your second step is to take your greenery and hot glue it to your wreath. Now, I'm not going to lie to you guys. This is going to be trial and error for me. But once I figure out how the heck I'm going to do it, yes, I'll come and there we go. There we go. I'm not taking this out, Jesus. I'm going to come back and show you how I glued it or how I have hooked it up on the wreath. So that's going to be the next step. Okay, guys, the hot glue is an NO, okay, y'all? It did not work for me. Not to attach your greenery to the ring. So what I did was use good old floral tape, which you can also find at the Dollar Tree. And I just attached it using that. And it was real simple, y'all, because I know it's self-adhesive. It just sticks to itself. The tighter you make it, the more it sticks. So that's how I did put it on the ring. Now I think after you attach it, then you can use the hot glue. And if you want spots to be filled, because I'm gonna use the hot glue for the flowers, and we're gonna pray it works. But I just want to show you guys that's how I put it on the ring. Cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue those flowers, and I'll be back. You better stay up there. Okay, guys, I got my first flower attached. Y'all, it's really hard to film with this dang ring, and I do apologize for not showing all the steps, but it's hard, guys. So all I did was put the flower on, and then I bend it, and then I held it. Y'all already know, let's say it together. Hot glue is hot, okay? So it's not too friendly with your fingers, but for the love of crafts, yeah. So you see how I just put the stem and wrapped it around, and it stayed. Let's look at it this way. See how cute it is already? So I'm gonna glue the rest of the flowers on just with that same method, and I'll be back, guys. And here's the finished product, guys. I really like the way it turned out. I wanted to keep mine very simple, but yet still, enough greenery as well as flowers to still make a statement. So I only used 3 flowers, and you see the little bit of greenery I also used. And then at the top to hang it with, I used the sheer ribbon to hang it, because I wanted more of an illusion that is basically standing there. But y'all, of course, you can make a bow, whatever, however you want to hang your ribbon. So it is very, very simple, guys. I'm trying to give y'all a better view of it. And it was very easy to make. Once you put the greenery on and then attach your flowers with hot glue, it's over with like within 10 minutes, guys. So once you have your proper placement. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next Friday.